the cat and I welcome you to this world.
15% of adults in this country are illiterate. Will you help your child succeed?
We need to teach you everything. How to eat, how to walk.
Wait, no.
Oh no, not like that.
How to read. And one day you ask a question to which I don't know the answer.
Mom, why do you spell the sound "k" in chicken CK, not just C like in cat?
Really? When you hear sound k, why not spell C as in cat, K as in monkey, or QU as in squirrel? I read books, but the answer is not there. I am your mother. I cannot let you down. Capture English spelling in 30 vivid lessons. This new method is for you.
This method works because it is clear and vivid. When you hear sound k, you may want to spell it as letter K, but don't. I am letter C. I do this job in 73% of English words, like in cat.
And I am Yeti Snowman. When I come, my vowels melt letter C into soft S. When I am around, you need letter K for a K sound like in monkey.
Vowels Y, E, I will melt letter C into a soft S sound. Yeti will even melt letter G, like in government, into sounding soft like J, like in cabbage. If you see Yeti, to make a K sound, usually spell as K.
I am letter K. I am not afraid of Yeti. I will help you out.
I did not let my daughter down. You too can teach and learn.